Pairing your iPhone with the Apple Watch Series 11 is straightforward. First, ensure both devices are charged and that Bluetooth and Wi Fi are enabled on your iPhone. Power on your Apple Watch Series 11. It should display a pairing animation. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Set up New Apple Watch. You can either scan the QR code on the watch's display or select the watch from the list of available devices. Follow the on screen prompts to sign in with your Apple ID, set up a passcode, and configure features like cellular plans. Keep devices within 6 to 12 inches during this process for best results. If you're upgrading from a previous Apple Watch, select Restore from Backup during the setup process. This will transfer your data, apps, and settings from iCloud. Alternatively, you can choose Erase All Content and Settings for a fresh start. If pairing fails, restart both devices, ensure your iPhone runs iOS 18 or later, and update watchOS if possible. Common issues include Bluetooth interference. Try resetting your iPhone's network settings. For optimal performance, use a stable Wi-Fi connection, preferably a 5 GHz band. Expect the setup to be much faster compared to the Series 10, averaging under 5 minutes.